Make a statement with the Springer 60-inch ceiling fan from Progress Lighting. It has a rustic flair and is available in both an antique nickel finish with white barnwood blades and also a rich architectural bronze finish with distressed walnut blades. This fan typically takes between 30 and 45 minutes to install by a single person. Similar fans on the market can take 2 to 3 people up to 4 hours to install. The following tools are required for this installation. Before starting this installation, reduce the risk of electric shock by ensuring the electricity box has been turned off at the circuit breaker or fuse box, and make sure your ceiling box is rated for a ceiling fan. Follow these steps to hang the Springer fan properly. Unpack your fan and check to make sure you have all the contents. Remove the decorative canopy bottom cover from the canopy by turning the cover counterclockwise. Remove 2 screws in the bottom of the canopy to release the hanger bracket. Pass the 120-volt supply wires through the center hole in the ceiling hanger bracket. Secure the hanger bracket to the ceiling outlet box with the screws and washers provided with your outlet box. Remove the hanger pin, lock pin, and set screws from the top of the motor assembly. Route the safety cable and wires exiting from the top of the fan motor through the coupler cover, canopy, and then through the ball downrod. Align the holes at the bottom of the downrod with the holes in the collar on the top of the motor housing. Carefully insert the hanger pin through the holes in the coupler and downrod. Be careful not to jam the pin against the wiring inside the downrod. Insert the locking pin through the hole near the end of the hanger pin until it snaps into its locked position. Failure to properly install locking pin could result in fan loosening and possibly falling. Tighten 2 set screws on top of the fan motor firmly. Place the downrod ball into the hanger bracket socket. Turn until the groove on the hanger ball aligns with the notch on the hanger bracket. Secure the safety cable to the building structure with a wood screw. Make the electrical connections. Connect the black wire from the outlet box to the black wire marked A, C, and L from the motor. Connect the white wire from the outlet box to the white wire marked A, C, and N from the motor. Secure all wire connections with the plastic wire nuts provided. Tuck the connections neatly into the ceiling outlet box. Slide the canopy up to the mounting bracket and place the keyhole on the canopy over the screw on the mounting bracket. Turn the canopy until it locks in place at the narrow section of the keyholes. Align the circular hole on the canopy with the remaining hole on the mounting bracket. Secure by tightening the 2 set screws. Adjust the canopy screws as necessary until the canopy and canopy cover are snug. Only hang the blades after the motor is installed on the ceiling. Attach the fan blades to the blade arms using the 3 blade attachment screws and fiber washers. Start a screw with fiber washer into the blade arms, but do not tighten. Repeat for the 2 remaining blade attachment screws and fiber washers. Tighten each screw securely, starting with a center screw. Make sure the blade is straight. Attach the decorative rod holders to the blades using 2 decorative rod holder attachment screws and fiber washers. Tighten each screw securely and make sure the blade is straight. Insert blade and blade arm into the receiver holes on the motor and install screws. Fasten the blade assemblies to the motor assembly. Tighten the 2 blade arm screws with lock washers provided. Repeat this procedure for the remaining blade assemblies. Insert decorative rod into holder bracket. Rotate the decorative rods onto the set screws on the motor housing and firmly tighten. Repeat this procedure for the remaining decorative rods. Remove the 1 of 3 screws from the posts of the mounting ring and keep it for future use. Loosen the other 2 screws. Do not remove. Place the keyholes on the mounting plate over the 2 screws previously loosened from the mounting ring. Turn the mounting plate until the decorative cover locks in place at the narrow section of the keyholes. Securely tighten the 2 mounting screws previously loosened and the 1 previously removed. Position the notches in the outer rim of the mounting plate so they line up with the tabs on the decorative cover, and secure it to the fan by turning the decorative cover counterclockwise until snug. Do not over-tighten. Set the remote control. Select the desired frequency from the transmitter. The dip switches can be set to 16 different combinations. Restore power to the fan. Press and hold set for 5 seconds and release. The Springer ceiling fan from Progress Lighting is sure to make a statement in your home.